So now guys, have a look there. What will happen if I got y equals to 2 plus cot x to power 4? When I differentiate, I get 2 plus cot x to power 3, and the same thing we differentiate inside function. But this is not right because we don't need 3, rather we need minus 3. So therefore, in order to get minus 3, can anyone tell us what is the power we need to take? Yushi, what is the power we need to take?
-2.
-2. Can you differentiate for us, please, Ayushi? dy or dx equals to, bring the power down. Carry on, please.
-2 plus cot x to the -3.
And differentiate of inside function is? Differentiation of 2 is 0. And Ayushi, differentiation of cot x is? Minus
cos x squared x.
Cos x square x, right? Very good. So once we simplify it, we end up with minus and minus become plus. So we end up with the 2 over 2 plus cot x to power 3, and then we times it by cosec x, cosec square x. Now you can see that when this function is exactly same Aryan, except the difference of 1. So therefore our answer is going to be I equals to 1 over 2 plus cot x to power -2 plus c. Now I'm going to color the same one into the blue so you can understand. So this is the same part which we started with. Now remember, these are the 3 different part of the question. First one, we got power 4, and we can see this power is 3. Second one, we done with f dash x with fx, this type of question, and in this type of question we use length there. And the fourth one is where we got power 3 in the denominator. In order to find out that power, we can see that one we need to have power -2. When we have power -2, when we differentiate, it becomes -3, and when we got -3, we can bring it into the denominator and get our answer. So these are the 5 types which we have done. This covers most of the reverse of the chain rule. Any question, guys?